G'day officers, how you going?
Mate, how are you?
Good, thank you. Sorry, I'm just recording, is that alright?
Perfectly fine.
Perfect. Let me get you my license first and foremost. Of course. Bit of a wet night, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. So I'm driving a little bit carefully around bends because it's a rear wheel drive.
Yes.
And it'll go.
Not on the straights though.
I guess I'm just recording a video with like yeah, of course. So I can record the sound of the car, that's all. I just run a YouTube channel, so
Oh, okay.
yeah, feel free to breathalyze me. I'm sure you've got that ready.
Yeah, you should do everything.
No, of course. Of course. Alright. No, you're right.
Idiot. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cool. Your name, mate? Is that your address? Right, cool. Alright, so we'll just do breath test, obviously, and we'll just do some practice as well, okay?
Alright, no worries. Let me just put my phone up here. Alright, so from the back to the front. Alright. Is that good?
Yep.
Yep, beautiful. Alright.
Oh, you just caught our attention on the straight, you put your boot in a little bit.
Yeah, it's all for the content, that's all it is. Yeah, it makes sense, so.
What are you wearing on your head? A GoPro or something?
Yeah, so I make point of view content. So that was a GoPro that records my point of view night drive content.
Okay.
So I'm sort of going around just because I got ambient lighting, because the Mustang doesn't come with the starlights.
Right.
And doesn't come with ambient lighting. So I've got that aftermarket fitted in, and then I put the ambient lighting in as well. The stars.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Where do you get that done?
Oh, I've got for one of my mates who does it. He's he's professional at it. He's got his own business. He's over on West Side.
Really awesome.
Thank you. Yeah, I spent 5 G's on it. So I know.
You want to look awesome.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, exactly. Nah, he's done a good job. I'm happy with it. Yeah, how long have you been in the force for?
14 years.
Wow. Respect.
Good.
All good?
I'm gonna get back to home.
All right, perfect. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. You too.